Alright, you can see few details left for this painting. So here I'm going to put some white color just to provide the continuous lines, which is the road and moving to the end. So that's why I'm putting the white lines here. hmm So on the wood it's little bit tough because this is not the same types of drawing styles or the techniques you can apply when you draw on the canvas, traditional canvas. Okay, now we're going to put some rags here to define the sceneries and the landscapes. So usually this rags defines the distance of the sceneries from close to the far distance. So they're putting the rags here. Okay, all right. For the mountains here, we're just going to put some white liners again because it's the snowfall. So because of the snowfalls, things looks white. Okay, just doing the details with the brush strokes. Follow the steps. Uh-huh. So all the brush strokes, it's the second layer because the first layer there's just mixed up with the previous color and become little blurred. So that's why we're doing the corrections for the next level, and the drawing is going to be perfect. So when you draw, you have to put the paintings for 2 or 3 layers as you need the real effect. mm-hmm. All right, so now I'm going to put some linings for the mountains so that it's getting clearly visible. That's why it's going to be very linear, not so much thicker, but just putting the dots in some places just to show the linings. Okay, okay. And taking very tiny amount. mm-hmm. Also here and in this place too. Awesome. And this is because of the colors, this because of the colors. It's a colorful tree and it's a springtime, so lots of colors here. And just putting some taller trees in these positions. So I'm putting you can see here the long lines. And putting the details of the trees you can see from my drawing. So it's like the pointy on the top, and as it comes downwards it become the periphery is expanded. Okay, so it's a colorful trees. mm-hmm. All right, some trees you can see here. Okay, so putting the tree lines, maybe the multiple lines, because here you can see the two of them staying together, and another one also here, two of them. Okay, here maybe it becomes little bigger. All right, and for the road maybe we are going to put something so little bit rags in the middle to put some effect of the colors. So it's going to be a very colorful road networks, very nice, fun. awesome. Okay, so if you want to make the this landscape little bit colorful, just mix it with some waters and put a layer over it. All right, and just put a strokes. Okay, also in this side you can see here, and the drawing is going to be very nice. So nothing more, nothing left. This is just the presentations, and the whole drawing you can see it's down on the wood, and it's a wooden frame. So this is going to be almost permanent, and the paint is acrylic paint, and the total you can see the landscape. It's we try to make it as natural as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.